This is the one of the excellent simulation from which we are able to understand the Rutherford model about the atoms. Here, this simulation that explain Rutherford alpha particle scattering experiment. The experimental arrangement is shown in the simulation. A source of alpha particles. Source of alpha particles means radioactive material like polonium is kept inside a thick lead box with a fine hole as shown in the animation. The alpha particles coming through the fine hole of lead box pass through another fine hole made on the lead screen. These particles are now allowed to fall on a thin gold foil, and it is observed that the alpha particles passing through the gold foil are scattered through different angles. A movable screen that could be moved from 0 degree to 180 degree, which is made of zinc sulfide, is kept on the other side of the gold foil to collect the alpha particles. Whenever alpha particle strikes the screen, a flash of light is observed which can be seen through the microscope. Rutherford proposed an atom model based on the results of alpha particle experiment. In this experiment, alpha particles, they are nothing but positively charged particles, are allowed to fall on the atoms of the metallic gold foil. The results of the experiment are given one by one. The following conclusions are made by Rutherford. Most of the alpha particles are undeflected through the gold foil and went straight. The second one is some of the alpha particles are deflected through a small angle. A few alpha particles, that is 1 in 1000, are deflected through the angle more than 90 degree. From the experimental observations, Rutherford proposed that an atom has a lot of empty space and contains a tiny matter known as nucleus, whose size is of the order of 10 to the power of minus 14 meter. The nucleus is positively charged, and most of the mass of the atom is considered as in the nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by negatively charged electron. Since static charge distribution cannot be in a stable equilibrium, he suggested that the electrons are not at rest and they revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits like planets revolving around the sun. In this simulation, a specific atom is taken, gold atom is taken, and all alpha particles they are trying to approach the gold atom. As soon as they approach the gold atom, what happens? The alpha particle they have positive charge. The nucleus must also have positive charge. So because of Coulombian repulsive force, all the alpha particles are deflected in different angles.